Welcome to Candia 40, Hyderabad's latest architectural marvel and a true benchmark for luxury living, crafted by Candia Constructions. This 40-story landmark is more than just a skyscraper. It's a statement of style and opulence. And the vibrant, captivating colors that breathe life into Candia 40? Hmm, they are the work of none other than the Technopaints, the proud paint partner of Candia Constructions. This project stands as a milestone for Technopaints, showcasing their expertise in delivering complete painting solutions. Candia 40 is more than just a residential project. It's a masterpiece of style and comfort. Covering an impressive 4.82 acres, it boasts three iconic towers, 40 luxurious floors, and a whopping 959 beautifully designed units. To complement this elegance, Technopaints work their magic using their state-of-the-art products to make every corner of the Candia 40 shine with perfection. For the exteriors, Technopaints used rustic textures for the unique and long-lasting finish, ultra exterior primer to ensure durability, and Protect Plus luxury exterior emulsion, which not only adds beauty but also withstands the elements. And for the interiors, they delivered Quartz putty and Techno Wall Care putty for the flawless walls, Ultra Interior Primer to enhance the longevity of the paint, and classic premium interior emulsion to create stunning, lively spaces. Technopaints deployed 200 skilled painters daily to bring this dream project to life. Their expertise was unmatched. They used SRP and bamboo scaffolding techniques to paint this 40-story marvel, completing the project's painting work in just 1.5 years. Here is the scale of their achievement. Over 4.3 million square feet of internal walls painted, 2.1 million square feet of external walls transformed, and an additional 1 lakh square feet of clubhouse walls perfected. All this with continuous monitoring and a seamless supply of top quality products at every step. Technopaint's promise of on-time delivery and client satisfaction truly set them apart. With 5,000 plus skilled painters, 3,000 plus shades, and 1,000 plus completed projects, Technopaints is trusted for quality and excellence. They've been the proud paint partner for Candia developers, helping them save time and resources while achieving unmatched perfection. So, whether it's a dream home or a mega project like Candia 40, Technopaints brings walls to life with their expertise and innovation. Choose Technopaints for colors that inspire and last. Because with Technopaints, every project is a masterpiece. Technopaints, we supply, we apply.